Do you ever wish there was an easier way for your customers to pay you, one that skips the hassle of invoices and card readers and is as simple as sending a text? If you're running a small business, a side hustle, or even just selling some stuff online, you know the payment process can be clunky. You need something fast, reliable, and something almost everyone already has on their phone. That's where Venmo business profiles come in. Venmo isn't just for splitting dinner with friends anymore. It's a powerful tool that transforms your personal Venmo account into a professional payment gateway. It offers better record keeping, a clear separation of business and personal finances, and gives your customers the familiar, easy experience they love. Setting up your Venmo business profile. Ready to get paid the modern way? Setting up your business profile is super straightforward. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Head to the right place. First, open the Venmo app and tap your profile picture or the Me tab on the bottom right. You'll see an option there that says Create a Business Profile. Tap that. Step 2. Tell Venmo about your business. Venmo will ask you a few basic questions. Business name. This is what your customers will see, so make it clear and professional. This also becomes your unique Venmo username, like at Your Awesome Bakery. Industry. Select the category that best describes your business. Think retail, services, food, etc. Business description. A short, punchy line or two that explains what you do. This helps customers confirm they're paying the right place. Step 3. Set your business price. Now, this is an important part. Venmo charges a small, standard processing fee for business transactions. As of right now, that fee is 1.9% plus 10 cents per transaction. This fee is automatically deducted before the money hits your account, which is how Venmo provides this service. The good news? It's often cheaper and faster than traditional credit card processing fees. Acknowledge that fee and hit Create Profile. Customizing your profile for success. Your profile is live, but we're not done yet. A professional profile needs to look the part. Add a profile picture and background. Don't use a blurry selfie. Upload your business logo as your profile picture and choose a great photo for your background. This instantly makes your page look legitimate and trustworthy. Include key business details. Scroll down and make sure your contact information and website link are included. Venmo gives you a spot for your email and a link that customers can click right from your page. This is vital for customer support and driving traffic to your site. Share your new profile. The moment you've set up your profile, Venmo automatically generates a unique QR code. You can print this out to put on your counter, slap it on an invoice, or share it digitally. You can also simply give customers your new dedicated business username, like at Your Awesome Bakery. When a customer pays your business profile, the funds go into a separate business balance in the app. This makes accounting at tax time a breeze because your personal transactions and business income are clearly separated. And that's it. You've just future-proofed your payment process. Your customers get convenience, and you get professionalism and easy record keeping. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.